guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be showing you all an easy neutral look done by my sister. My eyebrow is already done. Okay, don't go anywhere. Let's get into the video.
Like a Hellcat.
Okay, so we're starting out with some fun concealer, on the lid, and we're just going to use that as primer for the eyeshadow.
I know I promised you all this video a while now, but you know, technical difficulties. I'm so happy that we're getting into the video finally. So the eyebrows is already done, and she's currently, you know, just, what is this you're doing?
I am priming her eyes so I could put the eyeshadow. And we're doing a very neutral look. Maybe some glitter, you know.
Guys, I didn't wax or pluck my eyebrows because, you know, I'm a crier and so forth. Just keep tuning in. You would be excited about this look just as I am.
So I'm going to use just a very neutral eyeshadow color. So I just go and put that all over the lid. So we set in the lid space with that, okay? Just the neutral lid. The neutral lid. Yes, we neutralizing the lid. Everything will be really nice today. Okay, next I'm going in with a pink shade because I like the way brown and pink look together. Okay, so we're going in the crease with, well, all over the lid basically. Oh.
I hope you all love my new background because it's very fresh and up to date, guys. And also I did my intro, of course, which I know you all will love.
I'm just putting that color all, it's just a pink shade. I'm just going to basically put it all over the lid. Not too much. You know, it's supposed to be a neutral look, but we just like the little pop of color peeping through. That's simple.
Guys, so once we're finished this eye, the left eye, of course, we're just gonna speed it up so you guys can get a quick view.
As I said, this is just a pink shade. I'll be putting on and blending all over the lid. If you hear any noise in the background, that's Thaisana puppy.
Silky, he doesn't want to behave at all.
Oh. Okay, so that's the look you're going for basically, and now we're going to add in some brown tones.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna speed up that part of the video for you, alright? Okay guys, so as you all can see, I already got my eyelashes done. Silky is being a bad boy. Okay, so it's called Poison Ivy. It came in this really cute package, guys. Check it out. Only $50. Okay, I will put the name of it in the description.
Okay, now guys, we're using the lighter concealer to to really highlight this time. This is the Revlon Color Stay in the color medium. Back to the front. Now we're just going to blend this out again.
I already have my concealer on, and she's currently adding some Sasha, we call it highlight powder.
Setting powder.
Setting powder, guys. So I have the Sasha setting powder right now, and
now we're going to contour with just some foundation. We're going to use a dark shade. So this is the Maybelline Pure Makeup Foundation, okay? We're going to use a darker shade, and we're going to contour. Turn your head to the side. Okay. This step is so easy.
So this is Maybelline, what foundation?
Yes.
I would put the names of all the stuff that is used at the bottom. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get some bronzer. What is this, bronzer or highlighter?
No, it's highlighter. Turn.
Highlighter.
No, turn.
So I'm coming as close as possible. Are you guys able to see? Yeah.
like if you live, you have to say comment below.
Well, comment below and let me know if you are able to see. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a great time taping this video done by my sister in Handsome Beauty 1868. Do you all love this look? Leave a comment below. Subscribe to my page, of course, and click the notification bell to ensure that you all are alerted every time I post a video. I love this look and I had a great time with you all. Subscribe, guys. Like up this video. Love you all. Bye. Oh, wait for the pictures at the end of the video, of course. Bye, guys.